better find your love, yeah. I better find your heart. I better find your love, yeah. I better find your heart. I better find your love, yeah. I better find your heart. I better find you all. My love and all is all that tear us apart.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, hey. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with Hermosa hair. They went ahead and sent me this 5x5 24-inch 220 density glueless closure unit. It is really nice and full, and I did cut layers into it. They already had some little bang situation going on here, so I just, you know, like put my own pretty much layered spin to it. This unit is absolutely 100% glueless, so Hermosa, you definitely did that. And if you'd like to see how I did this quick and easy glueless install with these gorgeous curls and layers, just keep on watching and let's jump into today's tutorial. All right, you guys, so this really nice and full gorgeous unit is from Hermosa hair. This is the bag that they sent the unit in, and then on this bag is the specs. It is their body weight 5x5 24-inch air cap unit. Let me go ahead and show you the way how this unit came. It came pre-cut lace, pre-parted, pretty much pre-plucked in a sense, and it came with like some really short hairs in the front. And I'm actually going to use this to cut layers into this gorgeous unit, and as you guys can see, it is 100% glueless. So I literally can take this unit on and off whenever I feel like, and let's jump into today's tutorial.
I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I feel it taking over. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find you all. My love and all is all that tear us apart. Love is all that tear us apart.
Now that we have layers in this gorgeous unit, it's time to do my curls, my T3 iron, and my clips. So let's jump into that portion.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag go. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag go. Oh.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it down, just let it go. So in love, I'll give it all away. Just don't tell nobody tomorrow. touch is driving me crazy. I can't explain the way I feel. Top down with the radio on, and the night belongs to us. Just hold me close, don't let me go. So in love, I don't care what they say. I don't care if they talking tomorrow. 'Cause tonight, that I give you everything. Music knocking till the morning light. 'Cause we like to party. Yeah, 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 yeah. 'Cause we like to party. Yeah, yeah, we like to party.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag too. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag too. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag too. Oh.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat? Just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me. So let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black seats, creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Well, I got 5, you want so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down to fist with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black seats, creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Well, I got 5, you know so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a big cage, man. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and case we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they acting boy like Fallout. $400. Now we give me 50 girls, now we give me 50. Used to slide on me, but you be tripping when you miss it. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Keep the fuck on you, don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving an apology when I'm behind. So then I'll just leave to the brand new ride.
So this is the finished look, and this gorgeous unit is from Hermosa Hair. They went ahead and sent me their 24-inch 220 density 5x5 lace closure unit, and let me just go ahead and let you know that this is absolutely glueless. Yes, okay, so if I want to take this unit off tonight, I can take it off. If I want to take this unit off for the rest of the video and put it back on, we could do that, because Hermosa eats. Like, the band in the back really allows me to adjust the straps to make this unit nice and snug. They also have like a reinforced band at the side, makes it nice and glueless. We also have an air cap, so if you want to go ahead and drop some oil in your scalp, scratch your scalp, massage your scalp, just have easy access to your scalp, not having your wig smell crazy, because you know how wigs be smelling after a while. Like, this is the perfect unit for you. So thank you so much to Hermosa for sending this gorgeous unit. And as you guys saw, I did cut layers in this unit and it absolutely turned out to be so perfect. I'm loving this hair because I'm receiving pretty much no shedding, no tangling. This unit is nice and soft, really easy to run my hands through, and these layers and curls are not going anywhere, honey. Like, I've used very light hairsprays, light hold, and the curls are just keeping up, so it could really hold a curl. This body wave unit is definitely passing the body wave test at this point. So if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so, so don't forget to go ahead and check it out. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babe.